6075 Foxtrot, cleared to take off and attend at pilot's discretion. Winds estimating 06007.
Cleared to take off, pilot's discretion, November 6075 Foxtrot.
Roger.
Locked. I want to climb. Start my turn. And once I
Pull up the boost.
Okay, I'm going to straighten out for a minute. One notch. Turn a little bit more.
November 6075 Foxtrot, airborne time on the hour. Report approaching North Coast Grenada.
Report approaching North Coast Grenada, November 6075 Foxtrot.
Caribbean Airlines 436, Bishop.
Caribbean Airlines 436, go ahead.
Roger, Aga would like you to route direct Charlie Alpha India, then direct Goodus.
I need to probably start slowing down.
Direct Charlie Alpha India, then direct Goodus for Caribbean Airlines 436.
Correct.
Okay, power's going to 15. On to checklist.
Okay. Okay, boost off.
Boost is off.
Corrective eyewear.
On.
Seat belts.
On.
Fuel selector.
Both.
Cowl flaps closed.
Cowl flaps are closed.
Autopilot off.
November 6075 Foxtrot, report to your position.
Go ahead.
November 6075 Foxtrot, we are 3.6 out to the east.
Roger.
Okay, autopilot off.
Autopilot is off.
And mixture is rich. Is mixture rich?
Mixture is rich.
Propeller high?
Propeller is high.
Very good. Entering right downwind 10, November 6075 Foxtrot.
November 6075 Foxtrot, running 10 cleared to land, wind 100 degrees, 12 knots.
Clear to land 10, November 6075 Foxtrot. Okay, everything looks good.
And 80 and 1,000 feet. 85.
Bishop, Caribbean Airlines 436, leaving flight level 150 for flight level 120.
Caribbean Airlines 436, Roger, contact Argyle approach, frequency 120.8.
Contact Argyle 120.8, Caribbean Airlines 436. And we need deviation to the right to avoid weather.
Approved.
My speed's fine.
Your speed's really good.
Gained a lot.
Bishop approach, JetBlue 949221 for 4000 with the weather at Grenada.
I'm just gonna wait it out.
You're drifting. It's coming around.
JetBlue 909
Beautiful.
Bishop approach. Confirm
Yeah,
you
I'm
have
gonna
the
have to simple.
It's the right crosswind
Weather
now.
conditions, JetBlue 949, correct.
Roger. Descend to 4,000 feet on a QNH
high, I'm
of
gonna pull a little
1013.
bit.
Expect no delay on the island of approach 10.
4,000 feet, expect no delay, and JetBlue 949.
Correct.
So what's the transition level for JetBlue 949, sir?
Flight level 50.